everyone, my name is Sunita Kumari. I live in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Basically, I belongs to Bokaro Thermal. Bokaro Thermal is the place where Asia's first thermal power plant was established and was inaugurated by Jawaharlal Nehru. I spent my childhood and education from there only. After that, I have decided to migrate myself to Ranchi to get graduated from there. I have been graduated from Cambridge Institute of Technology in the field of electrical and electronic engineering. There I have learned various things to enhance myself, to enlighten myself. After completing my graduation, I have decided to come in the field of networking. So I have joined the institute called Evision. There I learned various things. Like I think this is the things where I can enhance myself. I believe that networking will help me to to take myself in a graceful manner, as because I have learned various things, how to implement this, what are the uses of networking, how it is done, because I have interest in this field. As because I belongs to electrical and electronic field, I was having a brief knowledge about this, but while coming in this field I enhanced my knowledge in this field. I got various skills and how to use this in the field, and also to how. So I decided to take myself deeply in this field. I believe that this field is leading towards this world, and while this will make the world better. So after all that, I have some strong aspects of myself, that I am a hardworking girl and I am very passionate about my work. I love to be in an organized manner. I always want that everything goes in an organized way, organized manner, and to be in a stack way. And also I like to complete my work in time, as I think that I am a punctual. While studying in college, I have seen that I was the coordinator of Sparkle group there I always used to organize meetings, organize projects, debates and various competitions, which helped me to develop the confidence skills of me, and to highlight my weak points, to polish them, and to express my views. In all these aspects, I learned the management skill, how to manage an organization and how to keep it in a good way. I always try to represent myself, to give 100% in any work, any project, and in any organization. But I also have a weak point, like while hardworking or while handling any organization, I lose my temper, and which hamper me. But I'm improving myself to overcome from this, and I think that I will do a good thing, and I will try to control my temper, and I will remove my weaknesses one by one, and to improve myself. So I'm looking for an organization where I can indulge myself, I can learn something, and also I can develop my skill, and also the personality. Mm, I'm looking for a place where I can upgrade my skills, and also to improve my personality. I believe there are a lot of opportunities around, so I like to upgrade myself with the things which are being around us. I would also like to include that I am good at painting. I'm a good artist, as I have been awarded with a certificate at Kalavati Institute, where there was a competition of painting, and I scored a good grade at that. I love to listen music, reading newspaper to upgrade myself what is going around us in this world. I am a kind person. I always want to be in the flow of this world. I am looking for an organization where I can use all my skills and to develop myself too. So, thank you.